I feel so crazy.
What's the word, YouTube? It's your boy Dev back with another one.
Going downtown.
I'm with L.booggiee. Me and her are currently downtown. I got a little surprise for her. She don't even know. We're gonna go check something out. Something I used to do as a youngin', so make sure y'all stay tuned. It's me and L.booggiee for the day.
Lauren's right in here.
We dropped Lauren off at Mima's. Lauren's with Mima. She's watching her for me, so.
And Mommy's at the house.
Mommy's at the house, that's right. You're good, see, you're good. Mommy's at the house. She couldn't come with us today because she has to deal with a client for her cake business. So they're going over some party and you know, all that stuff. So make sure y'all stay tuned with us, man. We'll be right back with y'all when we find parking and we're out walking. So stay tuned, man. Yeah. Yo, YouTube. We're here, we're looking at motivation right now. That shit clean. That joint clean. But yeah, we just got to the parking garage. Just parked the V. Come on, baby. About to take this elevator. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you. She can't wait to see what I gotta show her. You know what I mean? But yeah, y'all. It's gonna be a good, fun day. Me and Sky. You know? So make sure y'all stay tuned with us. We downtown in the city. You know what I mean? About to turn up. Peep the drip, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, hold on, let me show y'all the drip. I ain't even really see the, you know what I'm saying? Got the forces.
Got the
You know what I mean?
Got the candy wrapper down there.
Yeah. But yeah, man. Leave that, leave that. I'm about to go upstairs. About to go upstairs. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned with us. It's a beautiful day out here, yo. I know y'all hear that a lot, surprisingly, in Boston, because it'd be rough out here. It'd be real stingy with the good weather, but it's been pretty nice. So make sure y'all stay tuned with us, and we'll be back soon, yo. L.booggiee in the bathroom, handling her business. She gonna be so excited when she got here. Come on. You good? You all set?
Yes. Let's see the surprise.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Here, hold my hand. You excited? Wait till you see it. You really excited?
Yeah.
Yes. But yeah, y'all, it's me and L.booggiee today.
Found it.
We not yet. We almost there. We gotta walk there. We gotta walk there. I think it's by the field. I probably might have to ask someone. But yeah, because I haven't been there in a long time. So yeah, YouTube, me and my baby in transit right now. About to go check it out, and we're gonna have a good time in the city. So y'all stay tuned with us. Yo, all my new subscribers, make sure y'all stay tuned with us. Watch all our videos. Smash that like button. You know what I'm saying? Keep rocking with La Familia. We'll be right back with y'all. Say bye, baby. We'll be right back.
Bye, bye, YouTube. We're gonna be right back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall again.
I don't want you to fall either. So you gotta be careful. What up, YouTube? We back. We in Boston Commons. Almost there to show Skylin her surprise. You know, we out here. We out here with it.
It's gonna be Bobby's surprise.
It's gonna be your surprise. Next time we'll bring Lauren. She'll see it when she gets a little big. You know.
Walk there with the shoes.
That's right. That's right. And you're gonna go in next time where your sister is. Yeah. You gonna hold her hand? Yeah. That's good. All right, go this way.
That way?
Yes. Yes. I know. Come on. Follow me. Follow me. Oh, they must have had a show over here.
Look at yourself in the mirror.
I'm not looking at myself in the mirror.
No.
Oh, okay.
The dog.
Oh, really?
Yep, producing a dog.
Do you see that? I know he got instruments, right? That's right. Oh, where are we?
At the surprise.
Yeah, what is it?
It's for me.
That's right, that's right. What we going on? The Swan boats. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Yeah, you guys, there's mad people here, as I figured. Bringing my baby to the Swan boats for the first time. I used to do this when I was younger, so I figured I'd bring the youngin' to go check it out for the first time. Check out the people, there's a lot of people here. Hella packed for the Swan boats. Did a little ride around the swamps. But yeah, you guys, if you guys have experienced anything like this, or you've been on a swan boat before, leave comments down below. Let us know how your experience was. And once we get out of this long line, we'll be back with y'all, so y'all stay tuned. She is crazy excited right now. I haven't been on this in probably like 20 years myself. Serious. Right, Skyland, this your first boat ever. That's crazy. No, I think that one just stays there. We gotta wait for these ones to pull up, you know? See how dirty the water is? It's caca. Come on. See, we're almost there. We're almost there. No, don't take those. Look, Mira. Look. We're getting on the next one. That's right. That's right. You excited? A little bit? I know. Come over here. I don't want you to fall through there. That's not safe. Stay with me. Yo, what's the word, YouTube? We back. Me and Bug Juice. We on the boats. Oh, man. This is her first boat ride. Right, baby? That's right. But yeah, yo. About to say. Yeah. This is gonna be cool. You know? Yeah. We with it, we with it, we with it. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Right, mamas? Those are the weeping willows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
Shit.
My mom's in Rhode Island, actually. Yeah, my dad is going down to Rhode Island later. They have a party.
But yeah, you guys, crazy sunny out here. Had to bring the sunnies out, you know.
And it's called the Point Club. It's like a... Your mom
Me and Scott just hanging out.
No, it's not.
Right, baby?
Yeah, it's but it's like a little thing.
She's like chilling.
Celebrating 10
She's
years.
probably like low key scared, like.
So I think they just invited all the members.
You know what I mean? But yeah.
For the listeners.
Riding out with it.
For the kids.
Quick little ride.
So I think just Lydia might be in this.
And we might go get some ice cream after.
Sailing camp.
Oh, you see that dragonfly?
He just did it last week.
That's a dragonfly, baby. Those can't do nothing to you neither.
So it's just Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Don't be scared. That was a dragonfly. You ever seen a dragonfly? Yeah.
They can't point.
No, they can't hurt you. They don't hurt you. They just land on you, but they don't bite you or nothing.
No, they're just.
Look at the birds.
No, they're just be nice to you.
See the birds?
Dragonflies be nice to you, right?
Yeah, they're very nice. They won't hurt you.
Wow, look at the lake.
I know, this is the little lake. Look.
Big dog.
You see the geese?
Oh, they're
See the geese? Those are geese.
Yeah.
You see them?
Well, I also want, if you should be with her, I should just stay with her. You don't need, we'll.
I wonder what it is. I had when I lived in Bush.
Like, that's another part of your life.
Yeah.
How long were you there?
Under the bridge, look, Mita. Oh, under the bridge. That's crazy.
Now we're going out.
That's right. Look up close.
What's somewhere on my foot?
You see them?
But you can still, and like I just had like a huge reaction, but it was like the spot around it really got it. So that like her whole body just floating.
2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right. Look. And it looks like they hang out over there, right?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You haven't seen this yet?
It's the hangout spot.
Why is he just drinking in the water?
This is crazy.
Now you have, right.
It was drinking water again?
Yeah. It's so bad. Sit down, baby.
It's like quack, 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 quack.
That's right. Mira, you have fun?
It is really, it's a really.
Wait. Come on. Hold my hand. What are you doing? You ready? What's the word, YouTube? Me and Skylin just got off the Swan boats. Her first boat ride, right, baby?
And we saw the swans in the water.
We saw the real swans in the water.
Yeah, and they was floating.
That's right. Right now we're getting ready to go get some ice cream.
Yup.
Right, mamas?
Yep.
Yeah.
I want strawberry.
What kind?
Strawberry. Look at that baby.
She wants strawberry ice cream. That sounds so good right now. It feels like it's at least like 75 to 80 degrees, which is doable. I love this type of weather. Not really too hot, you know what I mean? Not too cold, just right. You know, so yeah. So we're gonna go get some ice cream and we're gonna check back in with y'all real soon, man. So stay tuned with us.
I might get some Happy Meals.
We might get a Happy Meal for her. She loves Happy Meals. So y'all stay tuned with us. Yeah, come on. Mira, don't put it on the table. Cut it out. What's up, YouTube? We just got back in the car. You know, we had fun, right? On the Swan boats? What is that? But yeah, man. Just got back to the car. Yeah, what you got? But yeah, we just got back in the car. About to head back to Round the Way. We're gonna go pick up Lauren. 1 second, baby. We're gonna go pick up Lauren in a little bit, and we might go to the park for a few until.
And we're going to slide.
Until L.booggiee is back at the house, cause she has the key. So me and Sky can't even get in the house if we wanted to. So we gotta wait for L.booggiee to get back home, and then we can go upstairs and do what we do. So I had a good time. I had fun with Bug Juice. Me and her went on the Swan boats, as you guys was able to see. So make sure you guys stay tuned with us. Make sure you guys smash that like button.
Smash that big like button.
Yeah, that's it. Smash that like button. Make sure you guys keep subscribing. We appreciate all our subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And we will see you soon. Yeah. What's the word, YouTube?
The allergy couldn't work that hard.
Really? Just got to the park. Look, come this way. Just got to the park. Sky's gonna play around till it's time to go get Lauren. Come on, hold my hand.
We're going to the little swings.
Come on. I see you.
I have to go to my car. I have to go to my car. You go get it. You threw it.
Be careful, Mira.
Go get it.
Be careful, please.
That'll be fine.
Yeah, be careful. Excuse me. YouTube, what's goody? We here at the park. We at Savin Beach, Savin Hills. With it. What you say?
I'm learning how to do this.
Be careful, okay? Go ahead, be careful.
I'm going down the slide.
Go ahead.
Leave me down, Daddy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Careful. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead.
That was.
You got what?
I got in 10 years and 10 years money.
Really?
So what do you want?
What do you got? What do you got? This your store?
Yeah.
What you got?
I left the girl in my backyard.
Really?
Give me some $100, please.
Some what?
$100.
We don't have $100.
Yes, you do. It's in your car.
No.
So I have to fall down.
Exactly. You gotta be careful. Okay.
I just don't want to trip myself.
I don't want you to trip either.
I'm your baby.
That's it. That's right.
No, can you go to the swing?
You wanna go on the swing in a minute?
Whoa, 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 whoa. That was super hard. Let's go to the swing.
Bug Juice. You gotta kick your feet. Look, kick out. Kick towards me. Yeah, then go back. Exactly. But you gotta sit out. Yeah. There he goes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. There you go. Doesn't that seem better? But yeah, YouTube, we here at the beach with it. Me and Bug Juice, we staying here for a little bit.
Yep, that tiny little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick up Lauren and head back home, you know. Another nice little day in the city with my little princess. You're gonna play over there?
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to get you out. So you guys stay tuned with us, man.
Hold on, Daddy.
Alright, yeah. But yeah, y'all, I promised y'all some prank videos. We've been working on some. Me and Sky pranked L.booggiee at the house, but
it was not a good idea.
it wasn't a good idea. She low-key wasn't scared. We might end up posting that vlog for you just because, you know, but she wasn't even scared. Then L.booggiee tried to prank me and she like backed out of it, but we got pranks coming for y'all though. You know what I mean? Right, babies? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so make sure y'all stay tuned with the family La Familia's pranks. You done know. Yeah.
Hey guys, Bobby's doing my hair and then
I'm fixing it for you.
And Bobby's fixing my hair for me.
Hold it on your face so you can see your face.
And then, oh, I need to put it back. And then I'm just singing a swing. You guys can see. So you can see L.booggii's not in the park. So can you hold this for me, Daddy? Get me out.
You wanna get out?
Yes.
Alright.
I'm just hanging out with me. I'm just like moving my legs.
Oh. Yeah, be careful, Mira. No, that's not a slide. Get up before you hurt yourself.
You know the camera frame?
I got it.
Oh my goodness.
Be careful.
I'm going down the Swan. It's so fun.
What's up, guys? Yo, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm tired. I'm really hoping like Sky doesn't play the I don't want to leave crazy scream, you know, because we're gonna be leaving soon and she's not really too fond of leaving the park, so. But we gotta go get her little sister, you know what I mean? We gotta get out of here. We can't stay here. Although I love this place very much. Just the vibes. The vibes is always smooth, you know what I mean? Yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I appreciate you guys for all the support. We all do, from La Familia to you, you know. And continue to keep growing with us, you know what I mean? We got more content as usual coming. So stay tuned with us. I'm gonna end this vlog right here actually, might as well. Because I'm gonna just go pick up little Lauren and then we're going home. So I hope you guys turned on those post notifications because I really don't want you guys to miss out on any of our future videos, you know. So turn on those post notifications, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button for all my new viewers, you know what I'm saying, and all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. La Familia out. You done know. You're